Bentley Motors, the luxury car manufacturer, only recently revealed its big plans for the first ever Bentley-branded residential tower. The project is so far going under the name of Bentley Residences, and it's set to debut in 2026. What's so special about it apart from its name? Well, a lot, actually. Today, I'm taking you on a tour of the Bentley Residences, showing you its cool features like the car elevator that will take your car with you to your apartment, and much more you should know about this stunning skyscraper. For the location of Bentley's residential tower, the architects wanted to choose something that goes well with what the Bentley cars are all about. Therefore, the tower will be located in one of the most luxurious cities in South Florida, Sunny Isles Beach. Located on a barrier island right next to the notorious Miami Beach, this stunning city, spanning over an area of 1.81 square miles, is home to pristine white sand beaches, palm trees, but mainly numerous luxury high-rise hotels and condos spread along the beachfront of Sunny Isles Beach. Among these, you'll find big names like Trump, Hilton Hotel, Armani and Casa, and even the Porsche Design Tower, which we'll talk about later. I think it's no doubt that this is the perfect spot for the Bentley Residences. The construction of the Bentley Residences will begin in 2023, and we already know the tower's exterior design will make it impossible to confuse it with any skyscraper far and wide. The facade will consist of triangular, convex, and concave windows, which will create a diamond pattern. Once the sun hits the building in the right way, it will shine all over the place. Bentley Tower will consist of 60 stories, reaching the height of 749 feet, which will automatically make it the tallest tower ever built on a U.S. beachfront. Inside the Bentley Residences, residents will enjoy some of the best bayside and ocean views through the floor-to-ceiling windows in each of the 200 apartments. These will be built for the most demanding customers with the highest expectations in terms of design and quality. According to the lead designer of Bentley Motors, the interior of the tower will be fitted with design details and luxurious materials known from Bentley cars, like sumptuous leather and sustainable materials. Homes in Bentley Residences will feature a private balcony, pool, sauna, and outdoor shower. Outside of your condo, shared facilities include a private gym, pool, spa, restaurants, bars, cinema, and landscaped garden, which will make sure that you never run out of things to do on this property. To turn this vision into a reality, Bentley has partnered with Deezer Development, responsible for some of the world's most luxurious branded residences. These include Armani and Casa, Trump Grande, Trump Towers, and the recently completed Porsche Design Tower. There is, however, one thing you don't see in every other residential skyscraper in terms of automotive perks. In a typical skyscraper, a valet would, upon your arrival, park your car somewhere in the communal parking lot. Instead, inside Bentley Tower, you take your car with you to your apartment. Nope, that's not a joke. Each residence will have a multi-car garage where residents can securely park their vehicles, thanks to the car elevator built inside. That's pretty mind-blowing, right? However, Bentley Residences isn't the first skyscraper that will have this feature. Only 2 blocks away, there is a Porsche Design Tower, completed in 2017, which is already using the car elevator to store up to 11 cars in one of their penthouses, and 2 cars in a regular apartment. Oh, and one more thing, you don't have to actually drive a Bentley in order to live inside a Bentley Tower. Although, I guess it would kind of make sense.